discuss about the question given in exercise 3.2 question number 4. Let us see what is the question. Which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. So before we are going to solve it, first of all we should know the general form of writing a pair of linear equation in two variables. You know it, but again I am recalling. What is this? a1x1 plus b1y1 plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x2 plus b2y2 plus c2 is equal to 0. Now we know consistent, inconsistent. When consistent? If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then intersecting lines consistent and what? Independent. Consistent and independent. Now second case, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then your coincident, consistent. Okay, so dependent. Now third one. So this is if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then parallel means inconsistent. So in the case of parallel lines we will get inconsistent. Now we are given two equations. So what are the equations? X plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now we will equate it to a1. This will be equated to equated and this will be equated to the second one. Now here we will get a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to 5. Here a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 2, c2 is equal to how much? 10. So here I have not brought it into general form. I can write that implies x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Here also I can write 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. So this is C2. Okay. Now a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is equal to 5 by 10 is equal to 1 by 2. Hence a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So consistent. Asked consistent, inconsistent. So it is consistent because second case coincident. Now if consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Now see, simple. This is your coincident. So same line, double of it. X, 2x, y, 2y, 5 into 2, 10. Equivalent equations are given. Okay. So we'll solve this. X plus y is equal to 5. That implies y is equal to 5 minus x. Here I can draw here the table. Now x, y, xy, take any value, x1 4, so 1 4, 2 3 2 3. I'll get the point. Now come to the second part. What is given? 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. That implies 2y is equal to 10 minus 2x. That implies y is equal to 10 minus 2x by 2. That is equal to 2 into 5 minus x by 2. 2 cancel is equal to 5 minus x. Same equation we are getting. Same equation we are getting. Now the table. Minimum 2 points. So you can take also 3 points. As per your convenience, you can take the points. Now I will take here x0. Let's say 0. Then y will be 5. 0 5. Now I will take x3. Then here y will be 2. So it will be 3 2. Different points I have taken. Now we will solve it graphically. Now move to the graph section. Now question number 4 bit I. Already we obtained the points as per the equations x plus y 5. Points are 1 for x axis, y axis already drawn. X axis 1 centimeter 1, y axis also 1 centimeter 1. Point 1 4. Okay. So first point is your 1 4. 1 4. Next 2 3. 2 3. This is the point 2 3. Now we'll join these 2 points to draw the line. Okay. Yes, we joined it. Now this is your x plus y is equal to 5. Now second equation, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Just double of it. Equivalent equation. So point 0 5 0 5. This is 1 point 0 5 0 5. Another one 3 2 3 2. This is the point 3 2 on the line, on the same line, on the same line. So again you will join these points. That is the same line. That is the same line we are drawing. Same line we are drawing. So same line x plus y is equal to 5. Same line 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So it has infinitely many solutions because we are double of it, equivalent equation, coincident lines. So infinitely many solutions. Now move on to bit double line. Given x minus y is equal to 8, that implies x minus 8 x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0. Here also 3x minus 3y minus 16 is equal to 0. Standard form. Bring it to the standard form. Now equating this to the form of general form a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 is equal to 0. a2 x2 plus b2 y2 plus c2 is equal to 0. We will get what? Values of a1. a1 is equal to 1. b1 is equal to minus 1. c1 is equal to minus 8. Okay. Now a2 is equal to 3. b2 is equal to minus 3. c2 is equal to minus 16. Okay. Now a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Now b1 by b2 is equal to minus 1 by minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Now c1 by c2 is equal to minus 8 by minus 16. By cancelling minus minus and 8 2 is 16. We get 1 by 2. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Here, parallel lines. Parallel lines. Hence, that pair of linear equations, the pair of linear equations are inconsistent. Okay, so here parallel lines, so inconsistent. Now we will move on to the bit triple A. Now bit triple A, 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. It is already given in standard form. Now equating these two equations with these two equations, a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2 x2 plus b2 y2 plus c2 is equal to 0. So what will get? Values of a1 b1 c1. a1 is equal to how much? 2. b1 is equal to how much? b1 1. c1 is equal to how much? minus 6. Now your a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to your minus 2, c2 is equal to your minus 4. You got the values of a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 and c2. Now compare the ratio. a1 by a2 is equal to how much? 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Now b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now c1 by c2 is equal to minus 6 by minus 4. Minus minus cancelled. Now coming 3 by 2. So 3 by 2. Here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So what is the case? Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. So the pair of equations are consistent. Then even if consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Now move on to the graph. For doing the graph, we have to find out the points. So now solve this one. 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. That implies y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Now we will take the values of x and y. Minimum 2 points. So x, y, xy. Now 0, 6, 0, 6. Now 1, 4, 1, 4. 2, 6 minus 2, 4. Now second equation. What is given? 4x minus 2y is equal to 4. Is equal to 4. Or right, minus 4 is equal to 0. That implies 4x minus 4 is equal to 2y. That implies 4x minus 4 by 2 is equal to y. That implies 4 common, x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y. Then 2, 2, that implies y is equal to 2x minus 2. 2x minus 2. Now here table for the points x, y, x, y. Now we will take value of x. If 0, then here -2. 0, -2. If we take 1, then 2 minus 2, 0, 1, 0. Minimum 2 points are required for drawing the linear graph. Okay? If you will find out 3 points, no problem. You can find out also. For time management, we are doing minimum 2 points. Okay? Now we'll go to the graph section. Now here x-axis, y-axis has already been drawn. X-axis 1 cm 1, y-axis also 1 cm 1. Now from the equation we got the points. What points? 0, 6. 0, 6. This is the point 0, 6. Another point 1, 4. 1, 4. This is the point 1, 4. Now we'll join these two points to draw the line. Okay. This is your point. This is your another point. Okay. Now we'll join these two. This is the line for the equation. What? 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now come to the next equation. For x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Points are 0, minus 2. 0, minus 2. This is the point. 0, minus 2. 0, minus 2. Okay. Second one, 1, 0. 1, 0. This is the point. 1, 0. 1, 0. Okay. Now we'll join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. Okay. So this point. Okay. So this is the line drawn for the equation 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So what is the point of intersection? Point of intersection. This is the point of intersection. This point is equal to your 2, 2. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 is the solution. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to. Now move on to bit 4. 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now these are the two equations. Now we'll equate it to first one to a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 is equal to 0. Second one to a2 x2 plus b2 y2 plus c2 is equal to 0. These equations are already given in the standard form. So now what we will get? The value of a1. What will be the value of a1? a1 is 2. b1 is equal to minus 2. c1 is equal to here minus 2. Now a2 here 4, b2 minus 4 and c2 is equal to here minus 5. Now find the ratio. a1 by a2 is equal to how much? 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 2 by minus 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Now c1 by c2 is equal to minus 2 by minus 5 is equal to 2 by 5. Now here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So parallel lines. If lines are parallel, then they are inconsistent. Okay, because they have no solution in common.